Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Brave web browser on Ubuntu operating systems. The default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux operating system is Firefox. First open the default web browser, then go to Brave official website, that is brave.com. Click on Get Brave or click on this Get Brave, both are same. So scroll down, see we have these options: release channel installation or beta release. Go to here, you have the beta release. So in release channel, that is RC, run these commands one by one. See, these commands are for Debian, Ubuntu or Mint. So copy this one, open terminal, and CD, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, I have already curl installed. So next, copy this command. This entire, these both two lines is a single command. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now copy this one. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Control A. Now install the Brave browser. Sudo apt install Brave-browser. Hit enter. So it is going to install Brave browser and this keyring. Type of confirmation, hit enter. It will download, then it will install. See, you have successfully installed. Now go to applications. Then see, here we have the Brave web browser. Click on it to open. See, if you want to make Brave browser as a default browser, you have to select this one. Or if you don't want, then select skip. It is up to you, and choose the themes. Okay, I am going with the default one, so click on next. Maybe later. If you want to send diagnostic reports, if you experience crash or freeze, you have to select. I don't want to share information, so unselect them and click on finish. See, you got the Brave web browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Brave web browser on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.